Welcome to the SATCO NUVO Dallas showroom at Lightovation Show. Our 6,300 square foot showroom just went through a complete restoration, and we are excited to show you around. The first thing you will notice is our strong branding in the right front corner. SATCO has been known as a premier source for nearly every light bulb type and technology for 6 decades. Our NUVO decorative product line is about to celebrate our 20th anniversary, and we are thrilled that you have joined us today to take a look at our on-trend designs offered at exceptional values. As you enter the showroom, the updated space is exactly that, space. We have challenged the conventional showroom layout and design and opened the floor plan for all to see. We have nothing to hide. We have great products to show you. The initial display focuses on one product concept presented so each piece can be appreciated from all perspectives. This collection borrows technology typically used in surface-mounted fixtures and lay-in flat panels. These sculptural designs utilize light guide panels that are made of PMMA acrylic, which are non-yellowing and provide an extremely high light transmission. The formed panels are silk screened with a matrix of dots and other patterns to capture the light provided by discrete LED strips tucked into sleek bands or embedded into a backplate or holder. These designs are truly budget-friendly statement pieces. As you progress through the showroom, you will notice the next product collection features a series of integrated LED pendants and surface-mounted fixtures. These designs range from super modern rings of lights incorporated into textured metal drums to modern farmhouse circular pendants in matte black, rivets and all. Our new faux braided leather-wrapped low-profile pendants and surface mounts add a layer of design sophistication to an understated disc design. The metal emblem at the seam of the wrap elevates the design concept further. Several of our next products feature metal shades, each providing their own value based on size, scale, and design. Our first group incorporates styling cues from the mid-century aesthetic. With clean, open drums and two-tone finish, this new matte texture, gray and black, are available on a variety of items. Also shown are oversized, deep metal drum pendants, perfect for oversized kitchen islands. Take note of the complementary wall fixtures, a big part of kitchen lighting design for desk and nook areas. As we progress, you will see yet another design of metal shades. Here we have designed 2 collections which offer a peak of light, which escape either through an opening at the top of the shade and highlights the craftsmanship of the metalwork above, while the other design has a subtle gap in the slope of the shade which allow the light to sneak out. Both collections offer several finish options. Whichever design you prefer, the playfulness of the light gaps makes these designs intriguing with just enough accenting to bring a bit of attention to themselves. Here again, we are displaying coordinated, adjustable wall fixtures. Our next feature brings your attention to the brushed brass Cordello collection. Here we have brought together a mid-century satin white glass design with an industrial-styled central hub where each arm extends from. The design of the industrial hub creates an elongated shape for the 6 light stem mounted fixture. The elongated shape is perfect for kitchen island and rectangular dining tables. A 4-light smaller chandelier is available for use over a kitchen dinette table, or as 2 smaller chandeliers over a large island. A 2-light wall sconce completes the collection. Another new glass series finished in brushed brass is the Brookside collection. Here, the inspiration is derived from a pot rack. The design is clean and understated, while leaning a little more to the traditional without going too far. Once again, the Brookside 6-light chandelier work well over a kitchen island or dining table. A 4-light chandelier and 1-light wall sconce are also available. Both collections are displayed with VZ shaded wall sconces, which offer neutral style and work well with many of our designs. Always popular are our bell cap and light cap sleek mid-century inspired pendants in 2 shapes and 3 finishes: matte white, brushed brass, and matte black. Each pendant features white enamel painted interiors for high light reflectance and 12 feet of cord, especially handy for lofty ceilings. Alongside is our Dover collection. Dover definitely has origins from the days of early electric lighting fixtures. as exhibited by the detail of its castings and flat brushed brass plates above each metal or glass shade. The collection provides several options to tie a room together: 2 pendant sizes, a mini pendant, flush mount, and a wall sconce. Wall sconces are a wonderful addition to a dining room and can also be used bedside and as reading lamps. Our journey now brings us to an eclectic grouping of styles that work well together. From the ceiling, we see on the left the halter collection. Halter is a 3-panel pendant offered in off-white linen fabric in a matte black or brushed brass finish. Another halter option is our brushed brass metal panel design with matte black accent finishing. Adjacent to halter, we are featuring Flynn. A more contemporary approach has been established for the Flynn design. The slightly tapered off-white linen fabric shade is supported by matte black metal strapping that follows the line of the support stem and then wraps around the shade in sharp angles and returns up in the interior of the shades. The final design in this grouping is the Zelda trio. Zelda's metal sponge shade has an almost mechanical-looking purpose to its design. Subtle steps and curves in the shade remind us of an early industrial work light. Each shade is supported by black, faux leather straps. Shades are offered in white, gray, and black finishes. Here, too, we have paired our Olmsted and Thompson fabric shades, wall sconces, as companion pieces.